It's a 2015 Chevrolet Suburban. The Chevrolet Suburban is the American original with no equal. The spacious interior offers a place for everything and everybody, any way you fold it. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: Ecotec 3 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, external memory control, aluminum wheels, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights 9 people seating, class-leading cargo capacity, lots of standard features, comfortable ride, and smooth V8. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At Classic Chevrolet, we want to help. Help you find the vehicle that best fits your needs at the price you want to pay. We're conveniently located just west of the DFW Airport's north entrance.